Welcome back. In the last video, we allocated our purchase price of our lump sum purchase and land and building purchase to between building and land. Now we're going to depreciate the building, and we're going to calculate depreciation and put together a depreciation schedule for the building under two methods of depreciation. The one I'm going to do in this video is straight line, and in the next video, I will do units of production. So straight line, the formula is the same either way. It's cost minus salvage value divided by useful life. So I'm going to start with cost minus salvage value. So that's going to be our total cost, the cost of our building of $150,000 minus our salvage value, which I have here, of $25,000. Remember, the salvage value is what we think the building will be worth when we are done with it. So the total amount I want to depreciate is $125,000. We'll depreciate $125,000 over the useful life. When we're doing straight line depreciation, the useful life is expressed in time. In this case, we have a useful life of 5 years. So I'm going to put 5 here. And my annual depreciation is going to be the same every year. It's going to be my cost minus salvage value of $125,000 divided by my useful life of 5 years. I am going to have annual depreciation of $25,000. So let's come down here and we are going to build out, let me pull this up a little bit, our depreciation schedule. So the book value is the cost of our asset minus any accumulated depreciation. So in the first year, when we first buy our building, the book value is just the cost. Okay. In the next column, we put our annual depreciation, and we calculated that our annual depreciation is going to be $25,000. Our ending book value is simply the beginning book value minus the annual depreciation. So as our depreciation, as we depreciate more and more years, our book value will decrease. Remember, book value is the cost of the asset minus the accumulated depreciation. So it's going to be our beginning book value of $150,000 minus our annual depreciation of $25,000 for an ending book value of $25,000. Last period's ending book value becomes this period's beginning book value. Again, we enter our annual depreciation, and I'm just going to copy and paste my formula. So now we know our ending book value at the end of year 2 is $100,000. Remember, our beginning book value is last period's ending book value, so that's going to be $100,000 minus, we're going to do $25,000 depreciation again, because remember, our depreciation expense is the same every year, and our ending book value at the end of year 3 is $75,000. Carry that over to year 4, enter my depreciation, and the ending book value at the end of year 4 is $50,000. So then I'll carry down my ending book value to make it the beginning book value of year 5. My depreciation is $25,000, and at the end of year 5, when we expect to no longer use the building, the book value will be $25,000, which is the exact same amount as our salvage value. So once we've fully depreciated the asset, it will be on our books at $25,000, which is what we expect we'll be able to get for it when we're done using it. Okay, if you enjoyed learning about straight line depreciation, be sure you check out the next video on units of production depreciation. I'll see you there.